What are the advantages and disadvantages of glass in construction? Dear friends, glass is one of the most sophisticated and versatile materials used in the construction industry. Extensive use of glass helps in creating a very high-tech and modern look in buildings. Glass is available in numerous varieties that respond to different functions. However, the advantages and disadvantages of glass are: advantages of using glass. It is a very lightweight building material, which helps reduce the dead load on the building. It offers unobstructed views, making the interiors look big. When used in the exteriors, it helps bring the outdoors into the indoors. When used as curtain walling in the facade, the interiors are flooded with natural light throughout the day, thus increasing the working efficiency of their occupants. The external glass is treated to reduce glare, prevent heat absorption, and resist UV light, which helps make the building energy efficient. Disadvantages of using glass. It is a very costly material and has to be handled with care. It requires regular cleaning. In high rises, external cleaning and maintenance can be very challenging. Extensive use of glass might result in both psychological and actual security concerns. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more valuable and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.